Yo, what is going on, guys? In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to get mods on Gorilla Tag. This is the fastest and easiest method using a working Gorilla Tag code. This is a no PC method, guys, working in 2026. So this is no third-party install or anything like that. This is literally a secret built-in mod menu in Gorilla Tag that you can access right now by applying a simple Gorilla Tag promo code. And I'm going to show you how to get it, guys. Before I do that, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for updated after patch methods to get mods on Gorilla Tag. So what you need to do, guys, is basically just use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is a no PC method. You don't need Discord or anything like that either. You literally just use your mobile internet browser, and what you're going to want to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it like this, Crash Coupons. So yeah, type that in, and what it's going to do is going to bring you to a game code website. Now, as you can see, they actually have hundreds and hundreds of different codes that don't only have Gorilla Tag codes. So what you need to do is basically just use the search bar. I recommend you utilize that. It just speeds up the process of finding the Gorilla Tag codes page. So type that in and find this page here, guys. Now, as I mentioned, there is a promo code on this page that's going to get you the secret mod menu. So scroll down and look for it. Here we go. Get access to the secret mod menu in Gorilla Tag. Like I said, guys, this is the best and easiest method because it is just a already built-in mod menu, and it's just going to give you access to that. So this is no install or anything, guys. This is literally a no PC mod menu that you can get. And this method is working in 2026. You just need to unlock your Gorilla Tag code. These are limited codes, so there's 150 codes or just under that. And essentially, guys, this prevents people from stealing all of the codes. So to get your Gorilla Tag mods code, you need to click on this button and simply follow the instructions on the preceding screen. So it is really easy. I know it's like a bit annoying having to do this, but yeah, I think it's worth it, considering this is definitely the best and easiest mod menu for Gorilla Tag. So you just need to complete 2 of the offers below, and it basically is going to get you your code, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions for each. So these tasks or offers are basically mobile app installs, mobile games, and surveys. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions below each app. This verifies you're not a robot. So as you can see, there is some text there that tells you how to complete each task. These tasks are completely free. They take about 5 minutes. Complete 2 of those and it's going to send you back to this page, and basically your Gorilla Tag mod menu promo code will be unlocked. And then you simply redeem it in game, so in the computer where you can redeem codes, and that is going to get you mods on Gorilla Tag, guys. That is in 2026, working right now with no PC. Just go to Crash Coupons on your mobile phone, search for the Gorilla Tag codes page, and just select the mod menu code. Make sure you do unlock it. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.